Hi everyone, welcome to Yamchan Food. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a soup stock called Dashi for Japanese cuisine. This video may be a little boring for you, but you can't get the original taste of Japanese dishes without soup stock, so please watch it. Dashi is a traditional Japanese seasoning which is made from Bonito flakes and kombu, kelp, seaweed. As for Japanese cuisine, dashi is one of the most basic and essential ingredients that is often used. Easy to use instant powdered dashi and pack of dashi are also popular here in Japan. Pack of dashi is a great alternative stuff in making dashi easily. It's really convenient and produces more flavorful dashi than instant powdered one. But dashi which I'm gonna make today is much more flavorful than those. Alright, let's get started. Ingredients: wipe off the dirt on the kombu. Don't wash it. Add 1 liter of water and kombu in a pot and leave this for more than 1 hour. Actually, it's better to soak the kombu in water the night before. This one has been macerated since last night. Turn on the heat and simmer the dashi over medium-low heat. Skim off the scum that rises to the surface of the dashi. Take out the kombu just before boiling. Bring the dashi to the boil so that it will last for a couple of days if you keep it in the fridge. Carefully skim off the scum. When it boils, turn off the heat and add a little water to lower the temperature to about 19 degrees. Add Bonito flakes. Heat on low heat for 1 minute to remove the scum. Wait for the Bonito flakes to sink naturally like this Strain it. Never squeeze. This is the best first dashi. The first dashi is used for clear soup. Next, make the second dashi. The second dashi is inferior in flavor to the first dashi, but it can be used widely. Put 500 ml of water. Add the kombu and bonito flakes used in the first dashi. Boil this over medium heat. Simmer for about 5 minutes. Add 10 grams of fresh bonito flakes and boil it over low heat for 2 minutes. Strain this. You may squeeze it this time. Squeeze as much as possible. This is the second dashi. The second dashi is used for simmered dishes. As long as you spend your time, you can make delicious soup stock with rich flavor. It may be not easy to buy kombu and bonito flakes outside of Japan, but you may be able to get instant powder dashi at Asian markets. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!